So obviously I'm Ryan Maxwell, and with me is the Isotopes Manager, Warren Schaeffer. We're going to open a box of 1989 Upper Deck that Kurt Christensen from RVP gave us, and we're obviously looking for this card. We got our card savers, our penny sleeves.
I remember going to Slapshot in Vanderdrift, PA, and having these like this.
Yeah.
And like getting one and thinking, this is awesome. I can't wait to see what this is.
Did you collect cards as a kid?
I did.
Yeah. What's the first?
In the 90s. I grew up in the 90s.
Yeah.
So, you know, Upper Deck.
Some people keep the wrappers. I am some of those
Some people are crazy.
I am crazy.
You keep the wrappers?
I put them back in the box.
Okay.
So it's more fun. These are foils, so they rip. Wax wrappers you can carefully undo. So you collected cards as a kid?
I did.
Who did you collect?
I collected, you know, you put them in sleeves in the big...
Yeah, the binders.
In the binders.
Yeah. I still do that.
The 3x3?
You do?
You did it as a kid. I do it as a grown man.
That's okay.
That's okay. We may know this guy.
Bud Black. There he is, old buddy.
How often do you talk to Bud?
I talk to Bud often. He's the manager of the Big League Club.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So that's our buddy ears.
He's got a look at that. How about that? You know, I got this little piece of
foil.
A foil. I might want to save that. Huh? I might want to save that. Might be worth some money. You know what I have at home is I have a giant blue chest. It's like this big, and it takes a key to open it.
Yeah.
And it's all of my cards from a kid, but I can't find the key. Wouldn't that be cool to look through?
What if there's Ken Griffey Jr.
I bet you there is.
Bo Jackson. You know, Ryan Schaeffer played for the Phillies.
There's a lot of guys in here I've never heard of. It's okay.
So, let's talk about your baseball story.
Me?
Yes. You got
There's
drafted?
not much story there, really, honestly.
Where'd you
I got
play
drafted.
college at?
Virginia Tech. I got drafted in 07.
What round?
38? 37 or 38?
So you're sitting
Been
at
a
home and
while.
you get a phone call?
No, I was on vacation with my family and my girlfriend, who's not my wife. Hey, Sid Bream.
There we go.
Big fan of Sid Bream.
Yeah, I liked Sid Bream when I was a kid.
Yeah. You know, Sid Bream.
Skinniest first baseman I ever played.
Sid Bream scored for the Braves. Okay, how about this story? He scored for the Braves in the NLCS. You remember that?
Oh yeah, for sure. I was about to
Yeah,
say
you know
that.
why I remember that? Because I'm from Pittsburgh, right? Bonds couldn't throw him out from left field,
Yeah.
and he had like terrible knees, right? He couldn't run. Scored him. My mom, weeping in front of the television.
Was he safe or out?
Oh, he was. I'm
was
thinking he
out,
was
yeah.
safe, but Sid Bream, man, good guy. Hey, just met him the other day.
There we go.
Maddox.
Mad Dog. Yeah, he came to the clubhouse. He was here.
Funny guy.
promoting-
Boy, that was
yeah.
great. I love meeting that guy. He was awesome.
So you're on vacation
Oh, yeah, I get the call.
from your girlfriend, now wife.
Yeah, Callie. Yeah. And, yeah, so you've been drafted. You know, Jay Matthews on you know Jay Matthews? Jay Bird? He's our scout. He's a cross-checker now. But they drafted me, and I've been a Rocky ever since. I played from 07 to 12, 6 years in the minor leagues. There's Corey Snyder again. You got a checklist.
Yeah, checklist Corey Center.
Does Taylor look like him? I can't tell.
So you've never played or coached for another organization besides the Rockies?
No, I've been with the Rockies
So
my
you
whole career.
bleed purple.
They've been, yeah, heck yeah, they've been
Kirk
great.
Gibson, yeah.
They've been great. Hey, Doc.
Yeah.
Doc, I love Doc.
I have his autograph in my office.
Yeah.
So you get drafted.
So tell me this. I get drafted. Yeah, I'm a Rocky. You know, it's not much story to it.
That's a great story. People want to know.
I mean, I'm a
How many
Rocky,
people
I'm-
watching got drafted by a major league team?
I played. Let's see. I played in Asheville. And then I managed there for 3 years.
Yeah.
He had the greatest
Chris
eyewear.
Sabo, love Chris. I've been looking for Chris Sabo.
Terrible.
That's great.
Great eyewear.
There's a Gwyn.
There's a cool
There's a Gwyn.
Doc.
You know, I did collect Gwyn as a kid. I had a friend that took me to get autographs, and his name was Jazz Gwyn, was my friend, and he loved Tony. He still loves him to this day. And we'd go down and get when the Padres came in town, we'd go get Caminetti and Gwyn before they come into the stadium. sometimes we go to the hotel. We went to the hotel once with when the Braves were in town, down in the basement, because that's where they came out of it. I was like 12, scared to death. Crime dog came out of the elevator. Like Sabres, and there's a different Sabre.
Here's the Pirates, Andy Van Slyke.
Oh, he's
You
one of
want-
my favorite players of all time.
You want to keep that? We'll put that in sleep.
It's worth too much money.
Keep it.
You sure?
I don't know if PSA would grade this. It's probably too valuable.
Look at that. Is he wearing? He's wearing. Look, they never wore those back in the day.
Yeah, it's got the little
Yeah. We're almost done.
shin guard on.
We're not. This isn't.
No, we're not going well.
We're only looking for one card though.
We're only looking for one card. I mean, we're looking for memories and good times.
Mark Lemke. Here we go. Old Brave. These Braves teams were hot
There
back
you go.
in the
You
day,
put that in your
man.
bulletin board. Do you remember
Yeah.
the first time you saw yourself on a baseball card? What team it was for?
On myself?
Yeah.
On the minor league cards?
Yeah.
Yeah, my Casper Dan Plesac. He's on TV.
Cubs? Yeah. All right.
Yeah, Casper Rockies.
You still have it? Is it in your trunk?
No. Come on. Look at Goose. In all his glory. Look at that.
So do you think you still have a card of yourself?
I have Albuquerque ones.
No,
They just
it's a
gave me.
player. As a player.
As a player?
Yeah.
Oh, somewhere. Maybe.
Don't you want to show your kids that?
To be honest with you, Max, it's not that big of a deal. Mike Diaz.
All right.
That's it. Our last guy was Mike Diaz, holding a couple bats in his hand.
At least I don't have anything written on the end of the
Well, I'm
bats.
sorry for you guys watching. We didn't find a Griffey.
We'll have to do it again tomorrow.
We'll see if I can carve it out of my schedule.
All right. Yeah.
You got a lot of good stickers.
You're getting
Thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone.